Hey, I'm Morgan Wade and this is my bike check. Check this shit out. We got the Huffy Voltex bars. I've got the Mongoose shredder frame and the Mongoose gripping seat. Now I've got the Huffy Mongoose H3. It's light as shit. It almost weighs 5 pounds. I've got this Eastern Monkey Boy in the back, and I have got the Odyssey Mongoose pedals. Okay. Oh yeah, the Craig arms, they're just goof. You see his flag right here? That's a Mongoose. Yeah. This one's Odyssey. Yeah. This is it's the next lock-on thing. Yeah. I've got my Mongoose 23 too. So let's see what else do I have on here. Oh, these handlebars. Well, they're the what's it called? The next control bars, and I've got the Mongoose turn it all up. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, she's a beauty. She weighs about 45 pounds. I'll show you some more tricks. Okay, this one it's called the tail whip. It's kind of hard, but I just do it easy because I'm not good. Yeah, do you see that? Do you see that form I had in there? Did you see that form I had in there? You ready for this? Is gonna be a hang 5. Oh, it didn't work out yet. Okay, here, this is called a T-bog. I'm gonna do it in a second. It's when you go like this in the air and you dip it too. Yeah, I'm gonna do a T-bog. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. 360. Yeah, you can just cut that shit out. Morgan Wade, that's my bike check.